everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this error for Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition. So first of all, we need to go to this website. I will leave the link in the description. Just click on it. Maybe we will have some ads, just it will direct you to this website. Just scroll down a little bit and then search for what is most compatible with your PC and then click on download. You have and make sure the architecture is compatible with your PC. After that, you will have these three files, or maybe a different one from this one, but you will have Steam API.64.tll. What I want to do is just to select them all and then copy them. Then go to your Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition file location, paste those files here. It will ask you to replace some files, maybe just click accept, refresh your PC and restart it, refresh your PC and restart your game, and this will fix your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.